back to DuckDuckOtaku, the very best low-cost cosplay and props. The Star-Spangled Banner we will fly. In this video, I'll be showing you how to put together the easiest and the fastest Captain America cosplay. This will include clothes, props, and makeup. This is a modified cosplay of his costume in his first movie, Captain America First Avenger. Real quick, I do want to give a shout out to Just Test Films, who took some really awesome pictures of me in October that I haven't posted yet, but I will post them. But yeah, check out Just Test Films, link in the description below. Step 1, clothes. Okay, first of all, Captain America clothes. These can all be found at thrift stores or clothes you actually already have. You will need a blue shirt with a star, leather jacket. I would recommend you get a leather jacket in your size. Mine's a little bit big because I was kind of pressed for time. Next up, khaki pants. Okay, next you need boots. Ta-da! I have 2 belts because I'm going to have a side thing here and then I'm going to have suspenders hooked to here. You don't have to have 2, but it kind of looks cool if you do have 2. Step 2, props. Now these can be bought at military surplus stores, costume stores, and thrift stores. Just whatever is easiest and cheapest for you. So, something happened to the clip of me wearing the cosplay and talking about the bag and suspenders. I don't know where that clip went, and so here I am doing a voiceover on a freeze frame when I was in the cosplay. So, that small green bag is an ammo bag, and suspenders are reinforced military suspenders. I got them both used at a military surplus store, and that's all to it. I don't know where my clip went. I'm kind of annoyed. Bye, guys. And there's the main prop, his shield. It has been roughed up by my brother because it is technically his shield, and this was done with a steel wool brush, paint, and some paint brushes, and I believe some rocks in a couple places. Very easy to do, doesn't take too much long. As you can tell, looks very worn and beaten. When it was bought, it was brand new, it was very shiny, very nice, and then we decided to make it look rough and battle worn, and I think it looks really cool like this. Okay, things I added to the cosplay are these gloves and these little leg warmer boot things. Okay, so I added the gloves because I have really skinny arms, and when I take off my jacket, I look like a little stick. And because his cosplay, or his actual costume, not his cosplay, his costume in the movie, he has gloves and a long sleeve shirt. I don't have either one of those, so when I take off my jacket, like so I'm usually burning up, my arms look funny, and there's nothing on my hands, and I don't have gloves. Leg warmer things. Boot warmers, whatever you want to call them. He does not wear them, but World War II American soldiers did wear them. I added them because I don't have real boots that come up like his do, and I thought I'd just add a little bit more since I'm out of adding things anyways. Okay, so the rest of my video is sponsored by Just Test Films camera because my camera just decided to not film stuff. So thank you, Tez. I greatly appreciate using your lovely Sony camera. It's almost as good as my Nikon camera. But since my Nikon isn't working, it's even better right now. Third step, makeup. So this is my makeup. It's meant to be kind of roughed up, battle, hit and punched and fought through war and stuff. I'm just using a Party City face painting kit, and I have my own little sponge brush. I would recommend using that instead of the brush it comes with, because the brush it comes with, not very good. It's okay, but not very good. I'm also using a little bit of lip gloss to kind of bring out the red more. If you're going to wear this to a con, I would recommend use a setting spray, a matte instead of gloss, because you don't want to be shiny. But this would just make it last longer in case you like brush it or rub it. I'm not doing that right now because I'm going to go wash this off later. But yeah, that's all to my makeup. I just have, I don't remember which side is which, but I just have like a little scratch, little spot on my chin. The makeup is supposed to match the shield and kind of scratched up, beat up, torn up, battle worn, and stuff. So this is the end of my Captain America First Avenger cosplay tutorial. The easiest and the fastest and probably the cheapest one you'll find out there for the best quality. I do want to give another big shout out to Just Test Films. Thank you again so much for letting me use your camera. I really do appreciate it. And also I want to say thank you to my 125 subscribers. Did not think I'd even get like 5 subscribers. So this is awesome. Thank you. You are the bomb. I appreciate you almost as much as I appreciate Just Test Films camera right now. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DuckDuckOtaku, the very best low-cost cosplay and props. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DuckDuckOtaku, the very best low-cost cosplay and props. I'll see you guys in the next video. Quack, 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 quack. Bye, guys.